The idea of starting a business is exciting, but many ideas require time, money, and risk. Contrary to popular belief, there are actually many ways to start a business that let you focus less on the logistics and upfront costs and more on getting started. These low-investment small business ideas make a great entry point for beginners, bootstrappers, or anyone with a busy schedule and let you pick up a side business without having to drop everything else. You still need to come up with a solid idea, build a brand, put effort into marketing, and provide excellent customer service, but there are ways you can bypass many traditional startup costs such as initial inventory, warehousing, and retail space. 1. Create digital products or online courses. Digital products like music, courses, and templates are unique on this list of small business ideas. Unlike the others, they're not tangible. There aren't recurring manufacturing or shipping costs to worry about, so your margins can remain high while generating passive income, making it another no-brainer for the best business to start. The trick is figuring out what makes for a good digital product. What is useful enough that people are willing to pay or download? The answers range from original instrument beats to stock photos that can be licensed to other creators to information products and templates that help people level up their skill sets in a particular field. If you've got a talent that can be turned into a digital product, think about packaging it up into a new stream of income. 2. Sell print-on-demand posters, greeting cards, and prints. If you're artistically inclined or know your way around a camera, you can dropship using a print-on-demand business model to let others physically own a piece of your work. Just be sure to have the rights to the content you want to print or are using public domain assets you can freely monetize. If you've already got an engaged online following, say you're a cartoonist or an urban photographer, you're in an especially good position to give this small business idea a try. Depending on the printer you work with, you can turn your work into products such as posters or framed wall art, even greeting cards. There are plenty of digital templates and mock-up generators like Placeit you can use to showcase your products without having to print out each item and conduct your own photo shoots. 3. Sell a service. Offering services isn't passive, but it could certainly be a lucrative way to gain self-employment. With services-based small business ideas, time is your inventory and your biggest investment. You've only got a limited supply of hours in your day, however that makes it easier to get up and running if you've got skills that are in demand. Writers, graphic designers, virtual assistants, SEO consultants, cleaning service providers, dog walkers, real estate professionals, and more can build a business around their skills. It's one of the best business opportunities because it can be expanded with any of the other ideas above to create additional revenue streams by productizing services through physical or digital goods. A photographer, for example, can service a local event while selling prints online through their Instagram account. A freelance writer can sell a copywriting swipe file of high-converting sales copy. Coupling your service-based business with physical products can give you another source of income that isn't directly tied to your time. You can also offer your services through a freelance marketplace like Upwork to increase your chances of getting discovered by the people who need your skills. 4. Build an audience you can monetize. In today's connected world, the ability to capture and keep the attention of others is an asset. It's one that many businesses are even willing to pay for, and one that many creators are able to convert into a business with multiple revenue streams. Whether you choose to grow your following on YouTube, Instagram, or a blog, ideally a combination of different channels, you have many avenues for monetizing your audience. Sponsored posts on behalf of brands, becoming an influencer, selling physical or digital products, Patreon, a combination of the above since they're not mutually exclusive. Taking an audience-first approach to your small business idea means you're playing the long game. It might be months until you've figured it out, but you don't need millions of followers to do it. 5. Create a membership program. Online memberships aren't just a hot new business idea that materialized from people being required to stay home during the COVID-19 crisis. Our online memberships are ideal for entrepreneurs with an established, active, and engaged community. They work much like a subscription-based business. Customers make recurring payments in exchange for a virtual product or service. Memberships are great for managing members-only access to content on a website, and even for physical businesses that offer guided sessions online. Yoga studios, gyms, clubs, and art schools are a few examples of businesses that can easily take advantage of this low-investment business model. Since this content is behind a gate that only paying subscribers can access through their customer account, you can also host exclusive live streams in addition to, or instead of, downloadable content. Regardless of the route you take, be sure to record in a quiet space so the audio is clear and distraction-free. It's also a good idea to use email marketing to keep your members informed of new content. Emails, video teasers, and customer testimonials are great ways to build excitement for new launches. 6. Join an affiliate marketing program. Affiliate marketing refers to a performance-based marketing tactic where a business pays people, aka an affiliate, to promote and sell products for them. Every time the affiliate brings in a new customer, they receive a commission from the business. Affiliates can promote products on their blogs, social media accounts, websites, or in communities. For many, affiliate marketing is a low-cost side hustle that turns into a profitable business over time. To join an affiliate program, take the following steps. Find an affiliate program on sites like Share a Sale, CJ Affiliate, or LinkShare. Choose offers you want to promote. Get an affiliate link. Promote that link across your assets. Get a commission every time someone signs up or makes a purchase through your link. Commission rates vary depending on the company and offer. You can earn as low as 5% for each sale, while some commissions can be as high as 50% if you're promoting a class or event. Some affiliate programs also offer a flat rate versus a percentage. 7. Invest in vending machines. Although you cannot invest in vending machines with no money, it requires relatively low investment. Though the industry took a hit in 2020 with the COVID pandemic, projections saying vending machines will bounce back as the economy does as well. Some of the reasons for decline include decreased foot traffic, fewer people shopping, traveling and going to work, and hygiene-related hesitations around touching surfaces. So if you're opting to go this route, you may want to take a forward-thinking approach and look for vending machines that offer touchless options. The key to making this a successful business idea is to offer the right products at the right location. Do your research to find high-trafficked areas and understand exactly who is walking by and what they might need at the moment. With a strategic approach, vending machines can be a profitable business with small investment. The small business ideas I've covered might be easier to run when it comes to logistics, but that doesn't make them easy. There are at least 3 things you should keep in mind as you consider your options, no matter what businesses you decide to start. 1. Focus on a niche. Focusing on a niche makes marketing easier. As with any business, marketing is what unlocks your success. It's not enough to know that there's demand for your product. You need to figure out ways to reach the people that are most likely to buy them. You need to get the right vision to discover your product. Luckily, marketing is a lot easier when you're catering to a specific audience or identity. For example, vegans, board game lovers, photographers in your city. You can produce social media content that resonates with these people or runs ads that target their interests. Taking this approach also helps you project a consistent brand, because you'll have a more specific idea of who exactly you're talking to. Think about how you can zero in on a specific audience for your products and how the business you build can serve them. If you already have a sizable audience, say a blog, a YouTube channel, or an Instagram account, maybe you can even find a way to base your business off of that existing audience. 2. Pricing is about more than profit. Price your products too low and shoppers might assume they're low quality. Price them too high and you risk scaring some customers off. In any case, you'll need to find a sweet spot that also lets you factor in the cost to acquire customers and offer discounts, especially if you plan on paying for ads. With many of the small business ideas we'll explore in this post, you may not be shipping your products, but you still need to cover the cost of shipping. Consider your shipping costs and how they will vary in the different countries you want to serve. Many online sellers try to bake their shipping costs into their retail price so they can offer free shipping or at least a reasonable flat rate. Others focus on encouraging shoppers to add more items to their cart with conditional free shipping, like free shipping on orders over $50, to maximize their profit. At the end of the day, your prices can be tweaked and you can experiment with a variety of pricing strategies until you find one that works for you. 3. Test, learn, and grow as you go. The pursuit of perfection can be one of the biggest hurdles in getting a business up and running. Keep in mind that nothing is set in stone. Products can be swapped in and out fairly easily, especially when you're not stuck with stock. Your store can be redesigned, your prices can be adjusted, you can switch to a better supplier, and you can validate all these decisions based on the dozens of signals you have at your disposal. Traffic, or how much time people are spending on your site, reviews, abandoned carts, etc. If your idea just isn't working out the way you planned, think about how you can pivot before you quit. There are aspects of your own business you can always salvage if you try a different product or approach. The brand you invest time into creating and the followers you amass on social media or in your email list can be assets you repurpose for your next business idea. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and feel free to subscribe to stay updated with our future videos. Thanks for watching.